We're eating at Yolks right now.
Getting some coffee.
I'm gonna get this one. What are you getting?
Getting this one. Classic crispy French.
Which one? The crispy French toast. It comes with a side, I think.
I don't think so.
I got hot chocolate. Pretty yumps. Look at my order. Look at Kat's order. Oh my god. This is so good. That's so good. And then Kat's food is so good. This is so good. Yeah, and she just got extra bacon, and I'm halfway done my Benny. My Benny's pretty good. So yums. Guys, look. We're on our way to. Where are we going?
Beyonce.
We're gonna go see Beyonce today. So, we're gonna go see Beyonce today.
Yeah.
Kaya nag-off kami from work.
Kasi manonood kami ng concert.
Yeah, we're off tomorrow too kasi hangover from today.
Late matatapos yung concert kasi.
True. And then so we have to, we have to rest tomorrow because we're old. And yun, kakantahin ni Beyonce yun actually. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna walk because
Hindi kami nagdala ng car kasi
there's gonna be no parking there, and then it's gonna be so traffic mamaya, so we're just gonna transit. But anyways, we're just gonna walk for a bit to the train station, so mamaya na lang ulit. Okay, bye. Okay, we made a quick pit stop at A&W to have food, but now we're on our way. Look at Cat's good. And look at everybody.
I summon you.
Yo, you've been summoned. Y'all, we're here. So we're in line for merch right now.
Nag-aantay kami, ang haba ng pila.
Super haba ng pila. Like, we're here on the second ramp. That's the line, and then it's not even near the merch. And I'm so sweaty. Look at me, drenched. Concert haven't even started. We are still in the line.
Naantay pa rin namin hanggang ngayon. Tapos kinakabahan na si Kim kasi anong oras na?
It's like 7:52 and the show starts at 8. Okay, we got through. We're heading to our seats now. That is in the... Holy shit! So we're here now. And it's hot and it's crowded as well. Here's our view. Heated. Make it for me heated. Okay. This is our view.
I love you. Pull me in close and don't let me go. Make love to me. Welcome to the Renaissance. Genius, drip intravenous. Ready to come there, crossing out the signs. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold up. Wait. My soul. You won't break my soul. Tick-tock while I dance. On a demon time, she might start up. Stop, I ain't ready yet. Wait, let me fix my hair. Y'all mind if we do something from the album 4? Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here.
Okay, we're on our way home now. It's a little after 12, I think.
12:30 exactly.
Huh?
12:30 exactly.
12:30 exactly. Guys, ang life-changing nang nangyari sa amin. Parang na-bless kami ni God tonight.
Hindi si God, si Santa Beyonce.
Si Santa Beyonce, oh my God. Oh, so crazy. It's like the best concert that I've ever gone to, and I don't think that anything is gonna beat it because it was so good. Imagine 3 hours, one person, and that's just Beyonce.
Where do
Oh
we
my
go?
God. Huh?
Which one, this way or this
No,
way?
dito na lang. And then, alam nyo, nung look around, everybody on mute. Ang galing ng Vancouver. I am so proud.
So, for those of you na hindi alam yun, may parte kasi ng concert niya na magpa-participate dapat yung mga
The crowd. So, there's a song, diba? Tapos, Beyonce will sing, like, look around, everybody on mute.
So, dapat
And then,
mag-mute yung mga crowd.
lahat
yung
mag-mute. And then, it's become like, a competition between lahat ng mga arena na pinlay niya.
or kung saan siya na
concert.
concert.
And tonight, Vancouver,
Hindi kami na-fail.
Vancouver, you made us proud. You made Bay proud. Oh my god. I can't. And then my phone failed me tonight. Namatay siya.
Hindi
Like,
naman matay. Like,
naghang.
hang lang.
Naghang siya. Like, siguro may 1.5 hour pa left. No, siguro 1 hour left of the concert. Nag-fail lang siya. But thank God na may phone sikat na bago, because she used to have the iPhone 11 for the longest time, and it also used to hang. So now she has a iPhone 14 recently.
No need to mention.
Oh, okay, but she upgraded recently, and then, you know, the camera's good, so that was nice. We still got the memories. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep reliving this night forever, guys. I'm telling you, I've dreamt of this day for such a long time. Like, you don't know, nah, every time we play games or anything, my name is always Beyonce. And tonight I saw Beyonce. Oh my god, as Lizzie McGuire would say, this is what dreams are made of. Okay, we're just gonna walk. We really need water. You know, we bought water kanina. It was $5 for like a 350 milliliter water. Such a scam. Also, we bought this shirt.
Hindi kita. Uy, kasi
Oh,
madilim.
we bought-
Galaw yung tabi.
We bought 2 shirts, and a fan, and it's pricey, but I mean, I don't think we're gonna go to another concert, so I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, we're just gonna walk. We have like 3 more minutes to go. We'll see you at home. We have made it home. look at your makeup. Oh my god. Guys.
Okay, so ito
I'm
yung binili
so
namin.
happy.
This one, the first one is this
one.
shirt. And we
And then the
also
second
got
one.
this shirt.
Yeah.
It's both Beyonce and another
But
one.
look at the back. For this one, you're the Renaissance. And then mine is just a tour dates, I think.
Yeah, and then we also got this fan.
Yeah.
This one. And then pag tinalikod mo, there's
Heated.
word heated.
Yummy makeup. Heated.
It was fun.
Guys.
Sobrang nakaka-proud yung crowd kasi yun nga yung minention ni Kim kanina habang naglalakad kami, para naging competition ng mga arenas or kung saan nagko-concert si Beyonce, na kung sino yung parang I think most obedient or mga nagko-comply na mga like crowds, kasi nga may kanta siya na parang something parang mag-mute yung crowd. And na-worry yung iba na baka hindi mag-follow yung crowd sa Vancouver kasi nga super excited sila. But then kanina, super galing kasi na-quiet yung crowd. Well, siguro kung sino naka-relate sa concert or sa vlog namin na to, maintindihan nyo. But yeah, it was fun. So fun.
My dream come true. I feel like my life is complete. That was so good. I never thought that in my life I would see Beyonce in the flesh. And today, she was far, but she was close enough for my naked eye. Oh my god! I can't believe we saw Beyonce. I am so happy. She's so pretty, and her voice is like crazy.
Ang bait niya din. Super
Humble.
humble siya.
Oh my god, and Blue Ivy was there. And we didn't think that Blue Ivy was going to be there. Blue Ivy is Beyonce's daughter. Oh my god. Crazy. What a crazy night. My dream come true. Like, I like had a dream of this concert 3 nights in a row because I was so looking forward to it. But you know what? We bought these sunglasses specifically to bring them to the concert, but I forgot it. I was supposed to look like this. Actually, no, this is not mine. I don't know where the other one is.
Which one did you use? Did you use this?
Oh, let me disinfect it. We're back here again. Second day in a row. Oh my god.